Everybody, welcome back to the channel. The futures market is officially open. It's been open for about 4 hours. And right now, we're deep in the red. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all a stock that is about to go insane tomorrow and why y'all should keep it in your watch list. All right. And obviously, based on the thumbnail, there is a bear on there. So you can guess where we're going. I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions like we always do here on this channel. Now, before we begin, do not forget to annihilate the like button on your way in. And also don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Alright, so let's get started right off the bat. The SPY is officially below 38.50. I told you on Friday it would take 1 to 2 business days. If it didn't get there on Friday, right? And right now, today, I mean, this is for Monday, the chart, and it's exactly at 38.50. Is it going to go lower on Monday? I think that it's probably going to dip just a little bit, but it's going to close around 3800. And then I think that it might stall a little bit. It might stall a little bit because this drop right here is quite ferocious. I do not expect a massive push like this. That's a no. I do not expect that. But consolidation, yeah, that wouldn't surprise me at all. I'm looking at it from the 4 hour. Yeah, looking at it from the 4 hour. As you can see, this has been the common trend. So we got this push right here. We go down, right, and then we break right below it, right below this previous level of support, which became new resistance right over here, right? And right now, this level, these individuals, these dip buyers who may not have taken money off the table up here, they're worried. All right, as it chills sideways, or as it does just a very small bounce for like maybe for just a very tiny one, not a big one, maybe to like to the upper limit of 3900 before slowly rolling over with a low volume, right? When that happens, these people are gonna get taken out, and when these individuals get taken out, we're going straight down to 3700. Yeah, and that $3,700 level may happen either on Thursday morning or definitely by Friday. I think that is going to make it. I think. So that's my honest thoughts on the overall market and how the SPY is looking. Obviously, my thoughts and opinions do not differ when it comes to forward slash NQ, right? I'm not sure if I shared this one with y'all. That red box is there. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But either way, yeah, I think that we're going to go that low. 1100 is next by Friday for the Nasdaq, I think. Yeah. So now the stock for this video, the stock that y'all should be keeping in your watch list. All right, for a insane move. That stock is Unity software, and the reason why is because the stock is slowly rolling over, and it formed this structure right here. It formed this one. It's a bear flag. It's quite clean. It's on the chart. It goes from here, all right, and then we got this right here, and then it broke down on Friday afternoon. All right, so watch this one for a break below $29. It's going to happen very soon. Like the overall market might stall, but some stocks may still like trickle down and fade lower slowly. And I think this one might continue to fade lower slowly until the selling volume accelerates again later this week and drags this stock down, right? So watch this one for a move down to like at least $25 within the next 2 to 3 business days. All right, so that's the stock for the video. Let's see how it looks like on a daily. Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't have much history, so Like there is no way of guessing how low it could really go. Obviously, the lowest of the lowest is zero, but realistically, will it get to zero? Probably not. It's probably gonna bottom out before zero. All right, but looking at it the way it is I think it's definitely going lower. So that's my thoughts on this one. Now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. But before we do that, we gotta do an update. Um, we got to do an updates on a stock that I've mentioned on Friday. That one is Roadblocks. All right. Yeah, Redbox. I mean, not Roadblocks. Redbox. I told y'all to watch this one for a. Somebody asked a question about it, and I did answer it, and it was one of the top two stocks. I think it was either on Wednesday or Thursday. But yeah, this schematic that I drew here is playing out exactly the way I told y'all it would, right? Option number one was to short it from 10 to $9 on day one, right? And then to dip buy it, or to dip buy it if you don't want to short it, or to dip buy it at $9 for the curl to the upside, and it went to $14. And I don't think it's done yet. I don't think it's done yet. I told you guys that there are some short sellers up here who are very scared, very terrified. If I was a short seller and I see this right here and I see that right there, I will be petrified as well. So I think that this cheaper stocks, again, for those of y'all who like trading cheap stocks, yeah, it still got some momentum to it. The next step is $18 before it starts slowing down. Like if it jumps to $18, expect a pullback. All right, and then whether it decides to go even higher later, that will be determined for another video. It's very difficult to know. It's very difficult to know exactly when the next push will be. So you have to monitor it and and just monitor it. Monitor the price action for the next few days. All right. Now another stock that somebody asked about. We gotta talk about NIO. All right. Now NIO. This one I shared this one with y'all in preparation of earnings. I was watching it for a potential move to the upside on earnings, but it didn't do so well. I don't know what their numbers was, but I know that the reaction, which is what we care about, was terrible. And therefore the stock really didn't like cruise above 21 or $22. It's gonna stay here for a while. And especially with the market being slow and slowly trickling down, the situation doesn't look too great for NIO. And now that I look at it again, it looks just like you. Right here, right? Y'all see that? It's very simple, and therefore this thing is gonna drop again. So I'm leaning towards the bearish side. The downtrend will accelerate if we break below that line, and I think we will very soon. So that's my thoughts and opinions on NIO. Somebody asked me to do a breakdown on an airline company, which is the DAL, Delta. All right. Now with Delta, let's see how this one is looking. Oh, bear flag. Yeah, it's going down to like $32. It's not done yet. It's definitely not done yet. If you're shorting this, if you're asking because you are shorting, there is room to 32.50 for Delta Airlines. All right. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that answered all of you guys. Well, not all. Some of you guys' questions. At least I try to pick some stocks that have good structure. So again, if you have stocks of interest, you can drop them in the comment section of the video. All right, and it's pretty much the end of the video. Do not forget to annihilate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, helps the channel a lot and allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel and you haven't done so already, definitely click on subscribe. Click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on future uploads. If you'd like to be part of our private Discord community, you can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. If you haven't added me on social media yet, you can find me at Paul Nguma, at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. Alright. And lastly, if all of this is brand new to you and you're not scared of the market volatility, I left some very basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 10 to 15 minutes for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get some free stock after signing up with Webull using the third link in the description of the video below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.